Alright, well, it's the next day after all that rain that we had. You can see that where the dump trailer is still a little bit underwater. It's receding. And I moved all those branches yesterday while it was raining. So today, we're just going to work on burning it. So we've had the fire going for about 20 minutes now. I'm just going to set you up on time lapse. So you're probably wondering why I have a machine and I'm just hand tossing this on there. I find that I have a lot more control, obviously, but then it also burns a lot faster because there's air gaps between each of the branches. So it actually burns down a whole lot faster. So in the last 45 minutes to an hour, I went through over half the size of the pile. So hopefully in the next 15-20 minutes I can get even further down. So that's the rationale behind it. All right, there you have it. Probably not going to add anything else other than maybe a stump or two. You saw me cutting out the extra wood that I can just pile somewhere, maybe use as a fence in the future. But all in all, that's it. So no more wood going back on that fire today. And it is currently 11:02, so it should burn down before nightfall. So it'll be completely under control and then we'll put it out. Well, thanks for watching.